Boy, what the heck?
Whoa, what the hell?
Alright. The Crocs are on. You already know that means business. I actually picked up some tools that we'll be seeing later. Engine stand, engine leveler, and the fuel disconnect tools. Last night I drained the radiator, and that took like 10,000 years. So today I'm just gonna, I guess, do a time lapse slash pop in here and there of the teardown of my engine, and we'll see how far I get. So yeah, I have my little YouTube set up here too, so no, this is mine. Yeah, the engine's done, so yeah, it blew up, so I'm replacing the engine. Yeah. Have a nice one.
You have time for just the service for my front brake?
No.
I don't think so. I think this is gonna take up a lot of my time, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm sorry. One of the biggest issues is the fact that my car is so oily, so every single thing I touch is destroying my hands.
What guy?
So, I'm going to be using plastic bags to be labeling everything. So right now, rad support bolts. Only because I know damn well eventually it's going to get out of hand. If I get down there and this isn't a 17, he's gonna have some problems. So tell me why it's not 17.